Hello, I am Mohammad Hussain. I am Managing Trustee of Indian Development Organization Trust. This is an Indian charity organization working for women and children, environment, disabilities. We concentrate in different areas, different government program and international program, especially for agriculture-based sustainable development activities we are done in Perambalur district. And agriculture, man and ecology, Netherlands-based organization supporting our program for dryland farmers sustainable agriculture system. As well as Environment Department, Ministry of Environment and Forest, Government of India is supporting for environment education program through the district level National Green Crops program. I am the district coordinator of that program. I am implementing tree plantation, save the nature, save the earth. This type of awareness program conducting the 400 schools. So we are applying for Tamil Nadu Sustainable Development Program with the help of 39 NGOs who are due to sustainable agriculture activities, environment activities. So please you help for the particular activity. We are saving the earth for the future generation. Thank you.